We provide reliable engineering software. We focus on all-in-one CX solution. We promote industrial innovation and progress.
ZWSOFT has gone through a long way, during which there are ups and downs, glory and hardship, joy and tears, but all make up what it is today. From interior design application at the very beginning to general CAD software, it strives for bigger and better. From 2D design to 3D manufacture, it is courageous to jump out of the comfort zone and keeps evolving. Now the new journey has begun. ZWSOFT will focus on a reliable, all-in-one CAX solution to provide worldwide users with leading engineering software. Headquartered in Guangzhou, ZWSOFT has branch offices in Beijing, Shanghai, Wuhan, and an R&D center in Florida. It has been chosen by over 900,000 users from 90 countries and is also the choice of Fortune 500 to design great. Working closely with more than 260 partners around the world, it provides the best service to global users. It also cooperates deeply with over 100 developers to offer customized vertical solutions to various industries. From 1998 to 2018, the value realized by ZWSOFT has been rocketing with over 30% compound annual growth rate. Its efforts for the first-class engineering software and service have been recognized by the industry.
There is no so-called manager here. Instead, everyone can express their ideas freely and lead the project forward. Everyone can influence a group of people to work together and make something amazing. Everyone can be a leader in their field.
We believe the true cultivation is practice. We let you do, we let you explore, and let you fail. We just give you the freedom to do it. If you do it well, you can do a great one. Alike, we let you lead a team. If you lead it well, you can lead a bigger one.
The great team is united and motivated. We have the same goal, the same values. We agree on what is right and what is wrong, what to believe and what not to. This is our culture. We are both to move forward to new areas. We are always evolving. This is our label.
The essence of work should be happiness. People should have their own life and private time to improve themselves, to do exercise, and to accompany their families. We value inner peace and balanced development, which is sustainable and competitive in the long run.
I always believe we should treat employees as partners by sharing the success together. It's the reason why we let our staff be shareholders very early. First of all, every single dollar is shared by everyone through the design of performance evaluation. I regard the stance of participation and belonging as important.
ZWSOFT now mainly has 4 product lines: ZWCAD, ZW3D, 3D1, and mobile internet solution CAD Pockets. The 2D solution ZWCAD makes design easier than ever. It realizes more stable and efficient drawing experience and assists designers and engineers to create amazing things with enhanced 2D features. It also cooperates with all kinds of applications with its strong API capability to help different industries further customize their solutions. What's more, the mobile internet solution CAD Pockets not only helps designers create, review, and share DWG drawings anywhere and anytime with cloud storage, but also makes teamwork easier with online drawing communication. Then, In response to the increasing demand for a reliable 3D tool, ZW3D, an all-in-one CAD CAM solution, came out to satisfy the whole process from designing to manufacturing. The expertise of the USA R&D team also ensures that ZW3D remains at the rising of the industry. Featuring the self-developed Overdrive kernel, it has brought a variety of products from concept to the market. And after finishing the 3D design, CAD Bro enables your coworkers and clients to view it easily, realizing more efficient collaboration. Except for the 2D and 3D businesses, ZWSOFT is also concerned about education. So 3D1 is here to help with teenagers' creative thinking. With its optimized functions and simplified interface, the 3D models built in 3D1 can also be printed out with ease. From designing to manufacturing to sharing, 3D1 perfectly connects the whole process of innovation practice. It makes everyone can design come true. In addition to the 4 main product lines, ZWSOFT is also entering into the CAE area and focusing on the all-in-one CAX solution to realize a complete and seamless user experience. Believing that the ultimate goal of doing business is to repay society and make people's life better, ZWSOFT is devoted to the public good. i3D1, the creative community for teenagers, gathers over 35,000 institutions, 25,000 teachers, 1,000 teaching materials, and 330,000 models, enabling children to create freely and change the world with their creations. It also cares about the improvement of teenagers' skills by holding nearly 100 competitions every year in different fields like architecture, machinery, and 3D printing. What's more, it helped build 2 primary schools and donated engineering software to enterprises whose products benefit worldwide people. Keep facing the world sincerely. Keep doing good things. ZWSOFT is always ready.
As the upgrade manufacturing becoming a trend, ZWSOFT is determined to keep our feet on the ground, to serve industry, grow with the industry, and help our worldwide users to design and manufacture the great products with our best all-in-one CX solutions.
Happy birthday! 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 Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!